Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. I hope you guys are doing super duper awesome. So this video is something that I was looking forward for a long time. It's about fundamental analysis. You may be well aware that there are two kinds of analysis that are done before investing in a company or researching or analyzing a company. The first is fundamental analysis. The second is technical analysis. In this short video, we will understand how you can look at fundamental analysis in six very easy steps. So to begin, let us assume that you have picked up a company कि ये company पे मुझे fundamental analysis करना है. So what are the six steps that you will look at? The first step is understand the industry. उसका सेक्टर, कंपनी कौन से सेक्टर में है, इंडस्ट्री में मेजर प्लेयर्स कौन कौन से है, उनका मार्केट शेयर कैसा है, हाउ हैज बीन द इंडस्ट्री ग्रोथ रेट लाइक इन द पास्ट, हाउ इज द इंडस्ट्री ग्रोथ रेट एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी इन फ्यूचर. This will basically tell you how long runway the industry has or how much is the scope to grow in the industry. The second point that you have to look at is how is the company that you have picked up placed in the industry. वो company का market share क्या है, whether it is able to grow as per industry standards or industry size. Industry का जो growth rate है क्या वो उतना growth कर पा रहे हैं. Preferably it is better that the company grows faster than the industry, but at least it should grow as much as the industry growth rate. That means कि company अपना market share hold कर पा रही है, which is important. If the company is lagging behind, that the industry is growing faster and company is lagging behind, company's growth rate is slower than the industry, that means the company is not able to participate effectively in the new business or new revenues that are coming in from the industry. So the second point which was important is to understand the company's position and market share in the industry. The third point that you have to look at is the margins and profitability analysis. In this case, अपन ये देखते हैं कि कंपनी के जो भी ग्रॉस मार्जिन है, ग्रॉस मार्जिन, एबिटा, profit after tax, and any other margins which generally the people in that industry look at, how has been the trajectory, how has been the past, and what it is expected to be in future. That will basically tell you how good the company is managing its cost, uski cost efficiency kaisi hai, and how is the company doing well on the profitability front. So basically whether the company has some pricing power which it is being able to pass on. So the third point, which is about margins and profitability, will help you analyze how good the cost efficiency is and how well is the pricing power. The fourth point you have to look at is कि कंपनी का जो प्रॉफिट्स है, how well is it allocated. To give you an example, कंपनी जो भी प्रॉफिट कर रही है वो उसको डिविडेंड के तौर पे वापस दे रही है या उसको रीडिप्लॉय कर रही है अपने बिजनेस में. If it is giving in the form of dividends and if the company also has a healthy growth rate, that means the company's cash conversion is very good and company doesn't require a lot of money to grow. So that's a good company to be in. The other thing is if the company is not giving out money as dividends, but it is redeploying in its own business, then you have to see whether the company is making healthy return ratios. If the company is making healthy return ratios, that means that company is effectively allocating its capital. So the fifth point is promoter. हमेशा याद रखना that पैसा घोड़े पे नहीं होता है, जॉकी पे लगाया जाता है. So when you are looking at the company, look how accounting, how clean the accounting is, what has been the history of corporate governance of the company and of the promoter. How friendly is the promoter and company to its shareholders and other stakeholders? This is something which is very important because you are investing in that company. So the people who are running the business should be good, honest, fair, and transparent. The sixth and the last point is valuations. Now, this is something that is very subjective and difficult at the same time. But I'll try to explain it in a crisp fashion. Valuation में क्या होता है, आप जो price या value pay कर रहे हो या valuation pay कर रहे हो, it is always in relative or in relation to some parameters. Now these parameters can be profit, which is earnings, or margins, or revenues, or discounted cash flows, or EBITDA margins, can be anything. In this case, what is important is to see कि आप जो पे कर रहे हो वो कितने times है उसके parameters पे. And because of this subjectivity, there is some difficulty that comes into it, and everyone has a different interpretation. Always remember one thing in mind, that companies with a long runway, good profitability, good market share, generally tend to command higher valuation. But as I said, this is something that is subjective. Now to summarize, there were 6 parameters to analyze or to do a fundamental analysis. The first parameter is how the industry is. The second parameter is company ka position and market share in the industry. The third parameter is how is company's profitability and margin trajectory like. The fourth parameter is profits और margins जो आ रहे हैं उसका capital allocation कैसे हो रहा है, उसको overall deploy कैसे कर रहा है कंपनी, या उसको dividends के तौर पे कैसे दे रहा है. Fifth is the promoter. The sixth is the valuation. So I hope you found this useful as well as interesting. If you like it, please do like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.